Hey guys, I'll be doing a mini squishy YouTube shop, and this will be only available in Singapore, not any other countries, so sorry about that. And yeah, so let's get started. So first I got this mini panda bun. It's super soft and squishy. So it has this cellphone strap, and I repackaged it. So this will be $3. And then next I got this breaded donut. So first it has some defects. So over here it has cracks over here. And then this one, which has been ripped off. So over here, over here 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 ripped off. Super soft and squishy. Oh yeah, and this one has been like torn off a bit. So yeah, and super soft and squishy. And this will be $9 only. And yeah, so that's all for my squishy YouTube shop, mini squishy YouTube shop. And thanks for watching. Bye.